Hey everyone, Chris over here at Ace Vacuums in Fairfax, Virginia, your one-stop shop for all your Miele needs. Today I wanted to make a really quick video. We get a lot of calls from customers here and around the Northern Virginia area, even all the way up into DC and Maryland, about what type of vacuums. Do we work on Miele's? Do we sell Miele's? Are we an authorized service center? And the answer to all those questions is yes. We are an authorized Miele dealer. Here in Fairfax, Virginia. We serve here and all the surrounding areas. We have everything from their Triflex line to the standard or the HX1s to the HX2s. We sell all of their canister vacuums from the Brilliance to the Marin to the HomeCare line, and which is a really good line, by the way. The HomeCare line, anything that you get that's HomeCare has a really extended warranty of 5 years on parts, labor, motors, and casing, and it also comes with additional perks and attachments when you get anything that's a Miele HomeCare, which you can exclusively only get at a dealer like us. But we carry all their brands, all their models, their robotic vacuums. We also sell all their supplies. So if you need your filters replaced, or if you need a new attachment, or your power head goes bad, or you just want to upgrade your unit, we do have all the replacement attachments for Miele and accessories. Now we do also do trade-ins too, so a lot of people call us and ask us, do we accept old vacuums? And the answer is yes. Bring your old vacuum in with you. It doesn't matter if it's running or running. We will take a look at it and get you a price for a trade-in value towards a new Miele. So we have done that plenty of times with people that's had 20-year-old Miele's that are just looking to upgrade and get some newer stuff. Our store hours are 7 days a week, so if you're looking for warranty repair work on all your Miele's here in Fairfax, Virginia, come see us because we do all the repair warranty work. Just bring in your proof of purchase if it wasn't through us, and then we'll handle everything on the back end as far as getting the parts ordered, everything covered under warranty and things like that. Once everything's done, we'll give you a call when it's ready. Miele is one of the best brands, and we're very proud to be a authorized dealer, service center, and warranty center for Miele. So if you guys are in the Fairfax area and you're looking for a Miele repair, or you just want to upgrade and get something new, come see us here at Ace Vacuums in Fairfax, Virginia for all your Miele needs. Thank you guys. Have a great day.